Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python tuples. So let's see what is it. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So in that case, tuple can store multiple variables in the multiple items in the variable. Okay, a tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchanged. Once you create the tuple, you will not be able to change that. So in that case, what happened? So here I'm going to create I'm going to show you some example over here, how to create that. So in that case, I have mentioned the three fruits name. Okay. So I want to print fruit 0. Okay. So now let's see what we will get if I'm going to print uh, print the 0 position fruit. So we got the apple because at the first position we are having apple. So that is why we are going to get that. Okay. So now I'm going to update one fruit position. Let's see if we are going to update that or not. So I am going to update the cherry to kiwi. Okay. So let's see, is it going to work like that or not? We cannot update that because right now, why we cannot? Because we are going to have one error. So we have to remove the space there. Still, tuple object does not support item assignment. So we cannot update anything. So you understood, it is unchangeable. Once you update the fruits list, tuples, you will not be able to change it. So that is the difference between list and the tuple. List can be changed and update or deleted, but in this case, it is unchangeable. You will not be able to change this particular list in this case. So this is the easiest way. How can you do that? So how to unpack your tuples? How could you do that? So in that case, let me, I gave you one more example here. So in that case, green, yellow, red, I have given equal to fruits. So let me print green. Okay. So in that case, I will try to print the green color here. So in that case, I'm going to run this program and we will see. You unpack it, but still it is not going to work. Why? I will mention another color, that is yellow. Okay, again run this. Banana. So I have, what is happening, I have mentioned the position. I have already mentioned the position. At the position of green, we are having in tuple is apple. So it is going to write that apple only. It will not give you the yellow or red or any other color because tuple is already made, and that is the unchangeable thing. You cannot change it. Whatever you will write in that position, you will get that fruit only. Okay. So I'm going to write one code here. For x and fruits, print x. Okay. So I'm going to create one loop. So I got the, what are the variables in that? Apple, banana, and cherry. That is why I'm getting, because these are the variables that are available in fruits. So tuple 2, now I'm going to create. Let's see how can we do that. So tuple 2 equal to, I'm going to write name 1, name 2. Now tuple fruits. So answer equal to fruits plus tuple 2. Okay. Print answer. So ANS. Okay. Let me run this. Now we will get all the things we have updated. Now I have added tuple 2 in the fruits name. That is why we are getting the names over there. In others, we were not adding the tuples, other tuple also. But here I have added the other tuples to the first tuple that is available. That is why we are getting the names over there. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.